Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is SM6 Today we are going to remove Oppo A53 pattern lock. To check the Oppo model in emergency mode, dial star #899 and hash. Then you will see the software version. Click here and its model CPH2127. It means Oppo A53. The friends, first of all, to take the motherboard out from this phone, we have to disassemble the battery pack panel side and remove the all screw and take the motherboard on the PCB holder. Now remove the upper heat absorber TF and clean the cooling paste from the CPU. Now see here we have, this is the Oppo A53 Qualcomm CPU phone. In Qualcomm CPU we have to drill above the CPU in some models of Oppo, Vivo and Realme phones. Okay, this is Qualcomm SM4250 model CPU. Now to remove the pattern lock of this phone, we have to make jumper 4 pins, RX1, RXOP and TX1, TXOP. We can remove this phone by jumpering with the help of EasyJet Plus or UFA box. That means don't be fast during a process of sketching above the CPU. If you hurry above the sketching process, then it may result the damage of CPU and board cannot live. See here, if you don't have a drill machine, don't worry. With the help of a gun and surgical blade and one brush, I completely clean the upper side of CPU and make the clean pairs of 4 pins, RX1, RXOP, TX1 and TXOP. Friends, don't be hurry during the cleaning processes. One mistake makes your game finish and cannot be live this motherboard, and it will be completely dead forever. So make your work slowly. Now friends, here's going to show all the testing point of the RX1, RXOP, TX and TXOP is clear. Now jumper the all pins with the low temperature soldering paste. I use 138 degrees soldering paste because when we use this paste with the help of iron, the maximum chances of soldering over the testing point is. So use if you have available the low melting testing soldering paste, then you can use it. Okay, now solder all the RX1, RXOP, TX1 and TXOP and make the testing point over the CPU, because it makes a jumper over the UFS detect is very easy. If you try the 4 pins over the CPU, and it will be easy wherever it broke out from the board. Now on UFS, click the ISP, not socket, and select your brand Oppo and go to the Android and reset Oppo phone. Now the phone is detected and the process is going on. Now reset Oppo. Yeah, without removing the user data, the phone is reset. Now the lock of Oppo A53 is removed. It's not difficult but not easy. So if you be careful during the working time, then the success chances is enough. Don't be worried and don't be careless during the process. Friends, when you jumper the 4 pins, also you must have to jumper the ground pin. If you didn't jump it, the ground with UFS ISP JTAG adapter, then the phone cannot be detected and you cannot remove the lock. So you must have to jumper. Here I am jumpering the pin on the screw side. Okay. Now all the jumper removed from the motherboard and clean the parts also, and don't make the sorting this popping. If you make sorting during the removing of the jumper wire, then it may result the motherboard not power. You must have to make clean and neat these pins. Okay. Now assemble the phones, and I am going to check the phone lock is removed or not. Now I am going to power on the phone. Yeah. Now the phone is powered on. It's on the process of turning on. It may take a little bit time because we set it from the JTAG UFS ISP adapter of the JTAG Plus. Okay. Now the phone is reset without removing the customer user data. Now the phone is turning on. You will see here the home screen menu. We also remove the FRP lock on this phone. We don't have to bypass the FRP also. Okay. When you detect the all pins, then the FRP is very easy to remove through the JTAG method. Whatever box you use, JTAG Plus or UFA box. Okay. Now the phone is turned on, and I'm going to set up the all processes without connecting the Wi-Fi because we removed the FRP lock before through the JTAG method. Yeah. Now see here, the phone is almost setup is done. Okay. Welcome and get started. Colharas Oppo A53 pattern unlocked on. Thanks for watching my video, dear friends. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel and hit the bell icon of my channel. Okay, for more videos. please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now here, this is Oppo A53. I'm going to show you through the setting. The customer data is here. The video customer had been stored on his storage is not deleted. Without removing the user data, the phone pattern log is removed. Now here, WhatsApp, all the phone application is also not deleted from this phone. Without removing user data, the log is removed. Thank you for watching my video.